Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the question which are based on a method of solving linear equation in one variable that we have discussed in the previous video, and that was transposition method. And I hope you get the idea how we solve the problem based on transposition method. And you have also solved various questions in the last video. Today we shall discuss some more questions which are based on the same method. Okay, student? So let us start to solve our question. The first question is, let me see here. Two p minus 7 is equal to 5. This is a given question. Now let us solve. Here, first of all, we shall transfer the numerator on the right hand side. So here we get 2p is equal to 5. Here you can see that 7 possesses minus sign. So when it goes to right side, it becomes plus 7. And here we get 2p is equal to 12. And hence here we get p is equal to 12 upon 2, which will equal to 6. Here 2 is multiplied with p, so when it transferred to the right hand side, it becomes divided, and here we get p is equal to 6. Therefore, p is equal to 6 is the right answer. P is equal to 6 is the right answer. Okay, students? So I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. Before starting the next question, first of all, let's see this once again. In this question, we have 2b minus 7 is equal to 5. So here, when we solve it, we get 2b is equal to 5 plus 7. And hence here we get 2b is equal to 12. So when 2 goes to the right hand side, become divided, and here we get 12 upon 2 is equal to 6, which is our required result. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. The next question is minus 3 minus b is equal to minus 9. The question is very simple. The question is very simple. Just try to understand. Here we have to transfer 3 to right hand side and leave b as it is. So here we get minus b is equal to minus 9, and here 3 possesses negative sign. So when it transposed to right hand side become positive. So here we write plus 3. Okay, and after solving we get minus 6 is equal to minus b. Sign of greater here we use, and again minus and minus cancel out, and here we get b is equal to 6, so that B is equal to 6 is the right answer. B is equal to 6 is the right answer. Okay student, so I hope it is also clear to everyone. So just try to understand, look at every step. Now let us see our next question. Now let us see the next question, some different level. The next question is 2y minus 1 is equal to 12. Okay, I will show you another question which is similar to this, but there will be a difference. So first of all, let us see this question. Here 2 is multiplied by whole quantity. So first of all, we shall transfer this 2 to right hand side. So here we get y minus 1 is equal to 12 upon 2, and here we get 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore we get y minus 1 is equal to 6. Here 1 will be transferred to right hand side, but it is noted to be here the sign is minus. So whenever it goes to right hand side, the sign will become into positive, and here we get y is equal to 6 plus 1, and that will be equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 is the right answer. Y is equal to 7 is the right answer. Okay student, let us see the solution once again. What does the question here? 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 12 is the given question. We have to find the value of unknown quantity, that is y. So here, first 2 will be transposed to right hand side because 2 is multiplied with y minus 1. So when 2 will transpose, it become divided, and here we get 12 upon 2, which gives 6. Therefore y minus 1 will equal to 6. Here now we have to transpose y to right hand side, since y is negative sign, so when it goes to right hand side become positive, and hence here we get y is equal to 6 plus 1, or y is equal to 7. So students, I hope it is clear. Now let us see just like a similar question here. There is a slightly difference in the question, that there is only plus. Okay, and here this is 3. Now let us see. First of all, we shall transfer 3 on the right hand side. We get y plus 3 is equal to y plus 1 is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. Therefore, y plus 1 is equal to 4, or y is equal to 4 minus 1, because here the sign is positive. So therefore we get y is equal to 3. Okay. So this is the solution of this question, and I hope it is clear. In this equation, we can see that the term having x in both sides, as well as the term having no variable is also in both sides. So here we need to transfer each term in their appropriate position. Okay, student? So here x will be transferred in left hand side and 5 will be transferred in right hand side. Okay? So let us see, here we get 2x minus x, because here x is positive. So when it will transfer to left hand side, it become negative. And in the right hand side, we shall get 10 is at in initial position, and when 5 came, it become minus 5, as you have seen in the previous question. Here both are the same species, therefore they will be subtracted, and hence we get 2x minus x is equal to x, and this will be equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and hence we get our required result. Okay, student, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, 8p plus 9 is equal to 1. Here the given equation is 8p plus 9 is equal to 1. We have to solve this with transposition method. So let us see. First of all, we shall recognize the term that having variable, that is p and naught. So here 1 and 9 are the terms that have no variable. That is why we shall transfer 8 to right hand side, and here we get 8p equal to 1 minus 9. Okay? Here this is plus, so when it goes to the right side become negative, and here we get 8p is equal to minus 8, and in the next here we can see that it is multiplied with p. So when we transfer it to right hand side, we get p is equal to minus 8 upon 8, 8 ones are 8. So here we get p is equal to minus 1, which is the required result. Okay, student? So in this way we can solve such question. Okay, now let us see the next question. Let us see one more question. P minus 11 upon 2 is equal to 16. This is the given question. Now here we shall transfer 11 by 2 to right hand side. So we get p is equal to 16, and this is minus sign. So when this term goes to right side, become positive, and we get plus 11 upon 2. Now you can write like this and add the fraction. So here we get 32 plus 11 upon 2, and when we solve we get 43 upon 2. This is the required value of P. This is the required value of P. Okay, student. Now let us see this question once again. The given question is P minus 11 by 2 is equal to 16. Okay. Transpose 11 by 2 and change the sign from minus to plus. We get 16 plus 11 by 2. And after solving it, we get 43 upon 2, which is the required result. Okay, student, I hope the question is clear. Now let us see the one more question. The next question is 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, here 2 is distinct from x. So first of all, we transfer 2. Since 2 is multiplied with x minus 1, therefore when 2 transposed to right hand side become divided, and here we get x minus 1 is equal to 6 upon 2. Okay, and now solve 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Therefore, we get x minus 1 is equal to 3. But here we did not get our result because there is a constant in the left hand side. So transfer it to right hand side and change the sign from minus to plus. So here we get x is equal to 3 plus 1, and this is equal to 4, which is our required result. Okay, student. So I hope the transposition method is clear to everyone. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.